I don't know why, but I feel the need I always have to check under the bed before I leave. It has now just gone 11 o'clock. I reckon I've got about 20 minutes or 30 minutes of work left to do, which means I should be able to get on the road very soon and I should then make it back. So as I'm going around doing the work in the labs in the hospital there, I'm listening to the radio. And Radio 2 was on, and a guy rings in and they're having a chat and whatever, they probably did a competition. And then at the end, the radio host says to the guy, oh, if you've got anybody that you want to say hello to, then say hello to them now. And he just starts reeling off all these people. Like he goes, oh, I want to say hello to my friend Nigel. I want to say hello to everybody in the WhatsApp group. I want to say hello to my wife. I mean, does this guy not have a phone or something? Like, what? I don't understand. Why would he want to do that? My phone is telling me that I'm going to be home at 2:46, which means that gives me 14 minutes to grab some lunch if I want to be home by 3. I just made it back, but I came back to this. Wait one sec, well, look at this. There was a delivery for Amber waiting outside the flat. And just look at it. I mean, what? I reckon they must have got to the bottom of the stairs of the flat and thought, oh, just drop kick up the stairs. I mean, what is, that is... So, Amber's not back yet. This is the first time I think I've been left in the flat by myself. I mean, I used to live by myself, but now... I'm not very used to it. I don't really know what to do. I need to go and check on the leak. Oh, we're looking. Quite a bit of water. I thought these things are supposed to like stop water coming at the end. Maybe I need to just get a new one of them and that will fix it. The biggest problem with this leak isn't the fact that it's a leak, as in it's filling up a washing up bowl with water. It's not a problem. It's because it loses pressure in the system, and the pressure gets too low in the system, the boiler doesn't work. When the boiler doesn't work, the heating doesn't work. When the heating doesn't work, it's bloody cold in here. So here's what I'm having to do. So I'm basically having to hook the mains water supply up into the boiler water supply, I think is what it is. Anyway, I have to hook it up and then I have to refill it to try and get the pressure back in the system, which is fine, easy enough, easy to do. But this one-way valve here then keeps leaking. And I thought that putting one of these on the end would stop it from leaking, but it still keeps leaking like this, so maybe I just need to replace this and that will fix it. These things are put there to test us, aren't they? Okay, so here's what I think the problem is. So, here's the old, I think they're called blanking cap or something, right? Inside, this little black thing here is, there you go, you can see it's supposed to be a bit of rubber. And it's just rock solid. Now, on the new one, you can see it's nice rubber, soft. Hopefully that's going to be able to create a seal when I put that on the end and stop it from leaking. I mean, this is my theory. I'm no plumber, so this is guesswork. I think I've done it. That's bone dry. Well, now that's done, I don't really know what else to do with my time. You know, I wondered if my life was interesting enough, and I thought it was, and now today. I said to my sister, I said, Tash, I'm going to do daily vlogs, what do you think? And she said, your life's too boring. And I can see what she means. Fitness used to be a massive part of this channel, and at the moment it's difficult to show that when, you know, gyms are closed, and when I do train it's outside and it's dark, so if I did film you wouldn't see anything anyway. But so if you subscribed before I changed to change the channel into this daily vlog direction, that doesn't mean there's going to be no fitness, because it's part of my life, so there's still going to be the fitness element in there. Amber's back, Amber's back! Oh, hey!
I've got so much stuff.
Have you? I'll get your bag for you, don't you worry. Go and put your hand under there.
Underwear?
Go on, see how wet that is.
It's completely dry.
Oh yeah.
Where did you get these from?
It's so dry, isn't it? I don't know how it got bone dry. Someone really must know what they're doing.
What did you do?
There was a plumber who looked a lot like me. Went to B&Q and got a different colour.
How much did you pay this plumber?
This plumber cost me. These packages down here were delivered for you. That's rubbish. But these are for you.
Should we open the light then?
I think you should open them. Oh, I think it's not broken as well because you paid good money for that.
It does look a bit swish.
Got a knife.
Hey.
Whoa!
The other one. So I might wear that for our workout tonight.
Yep. Blando, but it was camouflage. It was painted camouflage, and we went straight into it.
We're gonna work out. Got my new jumper on. My new trainers.
You hijacking the channel?
Look at my trainers.
Is it like a comb?
Who reckons I can get away with Tom's trainers? But they match my top.
Did you have a nice workout?
Yeah, I did.
Did you miss me?
I wasn't really thinking about it. I was too busy focusing on my squats.
What, last night?
Oh, last night. Yeah, I did miss you.
Thought so.
You missed me more though, didn't you?
No, I didn't think about it.
Did you have a bad sleep?
No, felt like a baby.